course, this is where you want to work on a Friday afternoon, Aaron.
That's the best thing I come up with. You got this.
We got it. How does the track truck do in mud? Let's find out.
This is some slick stuff right here. See how it does. Slid around a little bit over here, man.
Yeah, slipping and sliding a little bit.
She's got it in pretty good though.
You don't care.
Man, that's cool.
All right, I got your bed turned sideways.
All right.
Load me up. I'll go dump it up there on top.
I like it.
See ya. Yeah, I figured it wouldn't care about the mud, and it don't. So I went ahead and rotated my bed around so Aaron could load me from the side, even though we're still pointed in this direction. Tell you what, this little truck has been handy around the landfill. My absolute favorite thing about it though is this swiveling seat. So I'm just sitting here, or we're just sitting here facing the rear of the truck, so we can sit here and watch ourselves get loaded. When we're ready, we'll spin around, head out. So what we're doing, we've let our natural pond over here grow up pretty bad around that pump. If you remember back in the winter, we had to come in here and fix that pump. So we're just going to do a little cleanup, grab some of these small saplings before they get too big, throw them in the back of the Bergmann, and we're going to take them up to the very top of the mountain over there. I guess Aaron, he sees these pipes here. Yeah, this will be much better. Get all this mess cleaned up around here for when we do have issues with our pipes. We can come around here and not have to worry about getting snake bit. Y'all know what combo would work really good? It would be a long reach excavator and this Bergmann track truck. Man, you could really do some work around a pond site with that duo. That's what this truck is really designed for, swamps, power lines, pipelines, whatever, where a rubber tire truck can't go. Obviously, this track truck can go just about anywhere. Yes, sir?
Moto vision.
Moto vision, buddy.
Moto vision.
Got me loaded?
I think we can get some oil in there.
All right. Put it on there. That extra weight will help me get out of the mud.
Yeah.
Give me a little weight.
Make sure you hit the bottom.
Yeah. It's hot out here. Let's get back in the AC. I like my folding step. All right, Aaron's got us loaded up. Let's go. Got to get my bed swiveled back around so we don't knock the telephone pole down. There we go. Now we're good to go. This is so cool, man. Driving through all this muck. There's some slippery stuff too, but yeah, it tracks. Who cares? Alright, I had it in turtle gear. I just kicked her into rabbit. Now we can move on. Never thought I'd have my own personal tank one day, y'all. I do love this truck. It's just nice knowing you can go basically anywhere. Spin around. Alright, now once we're spinning around, we still can use our rear view camera. All of the gauges are just as they were if you're driving forward, so we click forward even though we're going in reverse. Watch our camera. We're going to drive up this big old hill and dump off the top. That camera does great, so I can see the ground and we can see the edge, because Aaron's got us so full of trees I can't see all that great through the trees right yet. And we'll just go right up here, climb up on the edge. Check it out, we're over the edge right now. That's awesome. All right, now I'm gonna hit neutral. We'll go ahead and set our park brake. Mash our little trigger right here. Dump it out, simple as that. There they go. All right, now we kick our little foot pedal down there. We're already on a pretty good incline, so it's pretty easy to spin around. We'll hit our neutral, park brake off, forward, hit the accelerator, let everything fall out of the back there. Hit our trigger again, push our joystick forward, and down comes the bed. Let's go do it all over again. Be on tracks, this truck's pretty quick too. Get her spun around here. Get myself spun around here. And back through the muck we go. Oh yeah. Can't see those pipes. Kind of watching Aaron. I think we'll stop there. Spin the bed around for him again, make life easy on him. Set it down. Don't get no simpler than that. I got some mud on my rear view. Up the ramp we go again, folks. All right, now who wants to wash my truck for me? That worked out beautiful. Guys, I sure appreciate you hanging out with me today and all the times that you do. If you want more information on this Bergmann all-terrain, low ground pressure trucks, check out the link in the description below. Other than that, it's hot, I'm tired, I'm going to get something to drink. I'll see you on the next video.